Hey guys, welcome back to Resville Trainer. Today we're opening up a Shiny Star V. Got this, well, I get everything from Who's On First, guys. Come on now, you should already know. You know the vibes. So we're hoping to get a God Box or God Pack, really, or Shiny Charizard. I don't mind the Shiny Ditto, but going for the Shiny Zardski. Can we get the Zardski? Alright, here I go. Here's breaking 175 bucks. Oh, it's like the sign doesn't want me to open it. Holy shnikes, the struggle. Watch me just cringe this. 1 second. Yeah, boys. Your boy real soft. What the hell? Alright, we're halfway there. So, alright, here I go. And I done did it. About to open the Shiny Star V box. Boom. There's no going back. Alright, it's filthy. Code card. Alright. I think how many? There's 10 packs or so. So. Mini grade pools, guys. We'll see. I'm fucked up. But oh well. Let's go through it real quick. You can never. Ooh, we got shiny. Ooh, what the hell? Nice, got shiny Dedenne. Forgot. Gold Speed or something like that. Shoot, your boy sucks. But crazy different reverse hollows. That was a surprising. It's 5-hit pack. That was kind of fire. Was not expecting that. Alright, man. The guy who sells Japanese cards and Who's On First, I've been getting like fire luck with his packs. My nephew pulled the Zardski from the pack I gave him from a booster box. Alright, can we get another? Nope, no God boxes. Spinner Carl, forgot her name. Drangotang, Energy. Okay, nada. Ooh, we got Lapis V. Let's go. Is that the shiny one? I don't know. Your boy's really brand new. Psych. But tune into these mid-grade pools. You get some bangers. Not bad. I think American version should make packs like these, like more reverse hollows to finish master sets or some shit, bro. Can we get a God Pack? Oh, no God Pack today. Grookey, the Danny Coffee. Forgot the bunny. Ooh, we got Galarian Map, Baby Shiny Hollow. Hey, we got. Let's fucking go. Bangers after bangers. Holy shit. Your boy's not ready. Should've bought more of these. Yeah, dude, I'm not even sleeving up the baby shinies. Dang. Sorry, guys. Mid-grade pools at Resville Trainer. Don't mind me. Holy shnikes. I'll probably. Well. Dang, I don't even know, boy. Jeez, I won't sleeve that one up. Alright, that was only 2 packs. Or 3 packs. 3 packs, I think. 3 packs? 2 packs? Your boy Smoke. Come on, Zardski. Can we pull ya? That's all I want. Alright. Halfway there. Can I get a God Pack? No. We're halfway there. Oh, shout out to we got Ditto V. And alright, our first bus pack. Not bad. We're halfway there. Recording at almost 2 o'clock in the morning. Jeez. We're halfway there though. It's my Friday though. Saturday. God Pack. No God Pack. But got another Evolving Sky booster box coming after this. Alright, ooh, we got Hoopa. Hey, Dodini. And I forgot her name. Hoop. Alright, pack number 5. Please don't cut the cards. Move the bulk over here. Hope I've seen something. No God packs. It's like one in, like, I don't even know, man, how many cases. But who? We got Carl. Hey, we got Toxtricity VMAX. Let's go. I don't. Shit, there's like a good amount of cards I pulled from this box. Can we still pull fire? Ooh. Tune in to the next episode of Reservoir Trainer. Psych. Dude, yeah, I really like the quality of Japanese cards. You never really know what you're gonna get. And I like how they just make God boxes, God packs, just to make it more fun. Oh, basic guy. Not bad, not bad. All we're looking for is the Zardsky or God pack. Ooh, is this it? Oh, you got me. Seen something. Not really at some stadium. Catch. Ooh, Zacian. Ooh, we got Gardevoir V Shiny from the Shiny Vault. Fire. Ooh, excuse me. Okay, I think we're coming down to our last couple packs. These are really fire pulls though. Ooh, I cheated again. God pack. We're searching for God. Ooh, we got Shiny Yampert. Hey, Zacian V. Let's go. Ooh, I'm out of sleeves. Alright, last pack magic. Believe in the heart of the cards. Let's go, boy. Let's go, son. We're halfway there, bro. Shh. I'm actually recording right by Leona when she's sleeping. Oh. Where's fucking. Oh no. God pack. But what can we get? Holy shnikes. Ooh, we have full art Eevee and a VMAX double banger. Let's go. That's the way to end the video. Oh, I'm out of sleep. But yeah, shit. Hit the like button. Smash like, subscribe. Tune in next time. Your boy got some fire pulls. Will I show you? Will I not? Probably. But yeah, you guys should really just hit the like button. Help your boy out, so I can get blessed by the YouTube algorithm. But yep, tune in next time. Check out my pulls. They're fire. But holy shnikes, yeah. Dang, what a klutz. What a clutter. Holy shnikes. Alright, tune in next time. Like, share, subscribe.